Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. Welcome back to the channel. This is Ishita, the legal internet Lex Click. Today I'm gonna tell you about the time to define limits of sedition, Supreme Court said. So, uh, the recently Supreme Court, while protecting two Telugu languages news channels from coercive action by the Andhra Pradesh government, noted that it's time to define the limits of sedition. Presently, the Committee for Reforms in Criminal Cases, constituted by Union Home Ministry to suggest reforms to the British-era IPC Indian Penal Code, is attempting for the first time to define the hate speech. Key points about the case. Channel blamed the state government for suppressing the right to the freedom of speech by obstructing the media coverage and reportage of COVID-19 pandemic in the state. Article 19 guarantees freedom of expressing one's own views and opinions, belief, convention freely by word of mouth, printing, writing, and mouth, picturing, or in any other manner. Channels urged the SC to initiate contempt proceedings and against the senior officials of the government of state for violating its previous order. The previous order of Supreme Court directed the state government to immediately cease any direct or indirect threats of prosecution and arrest the two citizens who aired their grievance. Supreme Court's ruling. Indiscriminate use of sedition. Supreme Court flagged indiscriminate use of sedition law against critics, journalists, social media users, activists, and citizens for airing their grievance about the government's COVID-19 pandemic management. Even for seeking help to gain medical access, equipment, drugs, and oxygen cylinders, especially during the second wave of the pandemic. Interpretations of the sedition. The ambit and parameters of the provisions of Section 124A, Sedition 153A, and 505 of the IPC will require interpretations. IPC Section 153A punishes act for promoting enmity between different groups or on ground of religion, race, place of birth, residence, language, etc., and doing acts prejudicial to maintenance of harmony. IPC Section 505 makes the publication and circulation of content which may cause ill will or hatred between different groups an offense, particularly in the context of the right of electronic and print media to communicate news, information, and the rights, even those that might be critical for prevailing regime in any part of the nation. Right of media acknowledgement. The argument that media was well within its right to air critical programs about prevailing regime without attracting the sedition. Sedition Section 124A of IPC. Sedition is a crime under Section 124A IPC. Section 124A IPC defines sedition as an offense committed when any person, by words either spoken or written, or by sign, or by visible representation, or otherwise brings or attempts to bring into hatred or contempt, or excites or attempts to excite disaffection towards the government established by law in India. Disaffection includes disloyalty, all feelings of enmity. However, the comments without exciting or attempting to excite hatred, contempt, or disaffection will constitute an offense under this section. Punishment for the offense of sedition. Sedition is a non-bailable offense. Punishment under section 124A ranges from imprisonment up to 3 years to a lifetime, to which fine may be added. A person charged under this law is barred from a government job. They have to live without their passport and must produce themselves before the court at all the times as and when required. So way forward, section 124A of the IPC has its utility in combating anti-national and terrorist elements. However, dissent and criticism of the government are essentially ingredients of robust public debate in a vibrant democracy. They should not be construed as sedition. The higher judiciary should use its supervisory powers to sensitize the magistrate and police to the constitutional provisions protecting free speech. Civil society must take the lead to raise awareness about the arbitrary use of sedition law. So guys, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new today. Please do like the video, share the video and comment, and please do subscribe the channel for further updates. Thank you.